Did you know that you could actually change the color on the inside of your Audi with ambient lighting? You can select from 30 different colors via the Audi MMI and adapt the color combination of the contours and surfaces to your preference. Curious how to do so? Just watch this video and I will show you in a few simple steps how to change the color of the inside of your Audi with ambient lighting. But first, help us grow this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Go to the Audi MMI menu and click on Car. Click on this button. Go to Vehicle Settings. Scroll down to Background Lighting. You will now enter the Audi Ambient Lighting menu with the multiple standard programmed options with the exception of the individual option. By clicking on the plus button, you will open the extra options menu where you could change the brightness of the lights, the color combination of the surface and line lighting, and the option whether you would like to light up the footwell. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG Car Tutorials.